Okay, let's take a look at problem 1, solving an equation with variables on both sides. So it says, what is the solution of 5x plus 2 equals 2x plus 14? Well, when we're solving equations like this, the whole point is to get variables on one side and constant terms on the other. So the first thing I'll do is subtract 2x from both sides so that I can move this 2x over here and move it over here. And when I do that, I get 3x plus 2 equals 14. So now I want my constant terms on the right side since I have my variable terms on the left side. So I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides, and I get 3x equals 12. Divide both sides by 3, and I get x equals 4. I can check my solution. So when I plug in 4, I get 20 plus 2, which is 22. And here I get 8 plus 14, which is also 22. So it works out. Let's look at guided number 1. So, again, I want my variables on one side and everything else on the other, or my constant terms on the other. So I'm going to subtract 4k from both sides. I get 3k plus 2 equals negative 10. Next, I'll subtract 2 from both sides, and I get 3k equals negative 12. Divide both sides by 3, and I get k equals negative 4. And if I want to check it, I would get 7 times negative 4 plus 2 equals 4 times negative 4 minus 10, which is negative 28 plus 2 equals negative 16 minus 10. So I get negative 26 equals negative 26. It works out. Alright, so for guided B, they asked me to instead subtract 5x from both sides instead of 2x and see if I get the same thing. So again, this time, instead of putting my variables on the left side, now I'm moving them to the right side. As long as I get my variables on one side, I should get the same thing. So I get 2 equals negative 3x plus 14. Then I'm going to subtract 14 from both sides. And I get negative 12 equals negative 3x. Divide both sides by negative 3. And I get 4 equals x. And let's see if that was what they got the first time. Yes, x equals 4. I hope this helps.